The following video details termination of Siemens' new MAX UTP outlet, featuring many truly innovative design aspects, providing a rapid, repeatable, and reliable termination process with adaptable mounting and labeling options. The termination also features Siemens' new Z tool for the ultimate and lightweight, compact, rapid termination aids. Before termination, verify that all required tools and packaged parts are available. Each bag of parts should include the MAX outlet, the termination module, and the icon set. Required tools include the Z tool, a cable preparation tool, a small flat screwdriver, and a flush cutter. Prepare the cable by stripping approximately 2 inches or 50 millimeters of cable jacket. Isolate any fillers or pair separators from the conductors and trim off close to the jacket, being careful not to nick any conductors. Now arrange the conductors without crossing any of the cable pairs according to the preferred wire scheme, either T568A or T568B as depicted on either side of the termination module. Prepare the module for attaching to the cable by unlatching the hinged cable retention clip. The clip can easily be unlatched by placing pressure on the clip arm while releasing the latch shown here. A small flat screwdriver can also be used to unlatch the clip. With the cable in the proper orientation, flex all 4 conductors up slightly and lock into the termination module with the cable retention clip. Be sure the clip captures the cable jacket and not the conductors for proper strain relief. As an alternate method for securing the retention clip, the keyed lever of the Z tool can be used for additional leverage. Place the prepared cable and termination module sideways into the molded impressions provided in the tool as shown. The clip side must be up and facing the keyed lever. While supporting the cable and termination module, rock the keyed lever onto the spring clip to snap the latch into place. With the cable secured in the module, untwist and lace each pair following the color code shown for proper tip ring arrangement. Simply hold down each pair just before the beginning of each lacing channel. Relax the twist by spinning the conductors a couple times in the direction opposite the factory twist, then press into place. The cable retention features in the lacing channels will hold the conductors in place. For best performance, maintain the factory twist in each pair up to the entrance of each lacing channel. Be sure that no conductors are protruding above the lacing channels before proceeding. The wire scheme is provided on both sides of the module, so proper lacing can be verified from the back even after the conductors obscure the colors from the front. Using a flush cutter, trim all 4 pairs even with the lacing channels and double check for proper lacing. The conductors should not protrude beyond the shelf shown here in the module. Now prepare the outlet for termination by aligning the keyed portion of the termination module shown here with the keyed slot provided in the back of the MAX outlet. Insert the termination module into the outlet as far as it will go. You should hear the latch, shown here, click past the first retention bump on the module. The second retention bump will lock the module in place when terminated with the Z tool. Prepare the tool by lifting the cam lever and the keyed lever. To complete the termination, Orient the ZMAX outlet opening in accordance with the RJ45 shape of the keyed lever and insert. Now depress the cam lever to complete the termination. The back of the termination module should now be flush with the housing of the ZMAX outlet. As an alternate installation option, the Z-tool comes with a mounting hole provided for hands-free operation. The tool can be mounted to a wall or to the rail of a rack as shown here to assist during the termination of multiple cables. Panel mount outlets are virtually identical to workstation outlets, but do not include the colored bezel. Terminations are identical. With the latch orientation down, these outlets easily snap into place from the rear of the panel as shown here. Removal is accomplished by simply defeating the latch at the base. Cables are easily secured with tie wraps on the integrated cable manager. No threading of the tie wrap is necessary. Simply loop around the cable and the open-ended tie lance of the patch panel. With this open-ended tie lance design, the tie wrap can also be looped and started away from the panel where access is more convenient, then slid along the cable and pinched into place as shown before securing. The innovative design of the ZMAX Workstation Outlet allows the same module to be mounted in either a flat orientation or an angled orientation. The outlet locks into place but can easily be removed with either a flat screwdriver from the front or by simply depressing the latch with your finger from the back. The angled orientation can be accomplished by rotating the module 180 degrees and snapping into place using the mounting slot provided further back in the housing. The modules can be snapped in from the back as well as the front to allow for more flexible installation options. Each ZMAX outlet comes with an icon set including a color-matched blank and printed icon, and a printed blue and red icon depicting both phone and data symbols. The individual icons are easily removed and snapped into place as shown. Icon pockets are provided for both the angled mounting options as well as the flat mounting options. In the event of a miswired outlet, the ZMAX can be re-terminated. Use a small flat screwdriver inserted into the slot provided on the back of the outlet to disengage the latch. Grip the outlet housing tightly, and while holding the screwdriver in place, pull the cable and termination module out the back. Alternately, a spare icon can also be used by inserting in place of the screwdriver.